Here we go. We're on the Great Ocean Road. Can you see the kites in the sky? Wow, look at that. I can see 4 of them just gliding in the sky. Look at that. I don't know if you can spot it on the camera, but they're up there. Look, it's just spinning around in the sky. Look at that. Look. Did you get that? Look at that. You got a kite just gliding there. Look, just gliding. That's what they call them, gliders, I guess. Hey, check out that house over there. Frickin' house there on the bloody stump. Frickin' awesome. I wonder how much that cost, eh? I think that's been there since the 80s. That was a pretty cool thing to see back then. It's still there. Good. Wow, house on the stump. They've even got like a wooden heater in there. Wow. Schmuckers, eh? Schmuckers. Ooh. The zone. Okay. So, Fairhaven. We're just coming into Fairhaven on the Great Ocean Parade. Excuse me. Some modern buildings there. Far out. Wow. Nice. Nice house. Now their house on the prairies. They're pretty cool. Fairhaven, the Great Ocean Parade. We're getting close to Anglesea. I think we are. Not sure. Definitely more populated out this way. Definitely. You are in Wadarung country. Wadarunga. I can't say it. Wadarunga country. Sure. No worries, mate. Happy Australia Day. Happy Australia Day. There. That's nice. Nice units. Cafes. Oh, it is. Oh, it's Aries Inlet. Oh, I see what it is. Aries Inlet. That's where the air gets in. Aries Inlet. Oh, get up there. There was more Great Ocean Road, but it's suburbia now. It's interesting. Aries Inlet. That's where we're at. This ain't so exciting, is it? Let's see if there's more Ocean Road here. I'll just zoom my GPS out. Oh, there is a bit more. Oh, and then there's Anglesea, and that's it. Oh, that's all of it then. Oh, that's the end of the road. That was it. No more Ocean Road. Okay. Alright, peoples. I'll probably let you go then. Well, no more Ocean Road, so what's the point, eh? Unless you want to see Anglesea. It's just a nice little drive-through area there, not much to see really. But it's running. I'll leave it running, eh? Anglesea, we're only 9 k's away. That's 9 minutes. Oh, we're not going to make it on video because we'll run out. We'll probably just make it into Anglesea. Alright, let's film it into Anglesea, so you can see what the ride's like into Anglesea. Oh, it's open. You took it. There you go. There's a bit more vista for you. Just a bit more. Gee, look at what it's like we're riding in the trees. Look at that. As the trees come down on you there. It's like we're riding in the trees. Oh, there's a taking. Then they speed up. Far out. They're a cracker, these people, I tell you. Stick to the limit, like the speed zone, you know, and let me handle the rest, so I can move around you and get the frogging out of here, you know. Oh, I think I see an opening. I do. Oh, no, I don't. There's something weird going on. They're all bunched up for some reason. Doing something weird, like going really slow, like 60 in an 80 zone. It's odd. And it's terrible when they're all bunched up, going nowhere. It's like they can't get through and they're not letting anyone else through. I can't see that far. I can see a bit further now. There he is, P-plater. 60 to 80. And causing severe... Oh, look at this road, eh? Let's pay attention to what's in front of us. Whoa. Nice. Of road to show you on the way to Anglesea. The sea on the angle probably sits at 45 degrees or something. Anglesea. And a nod. No, you're a sod. No nod, you're a sod. Anglesea, here we go. Chuck it into cruise control and stretch it out. Oh. Now you get to see angle P. There's some good catches around here, good houses, you know, if you can be bothered living this far. It's awfully quiet though, I reckon. Good. Oh, yeah. See that beamer there? X4. Nice Beamer. X4, X6 is better. X6 is spectacular. Engineering at its best. X6? Is it X6? The 6 series, whatever, yeah. But the high 6, there's a high 6 I think. That sits high up the road like a full drive kind of high 6. For sale, sold. Oh, look at that house, far out. Oh, white, pretty. Nice. Dial. Here we go. A bit more vista. What are they doing on the road like that? Interesting. Oh, here we go. Rolling down the mountain. Nice. Look at that vista, eh? What's vista? We both stood up, eh? That's the great thing about this GSA, anyone can do anything. You can stand up, lie down, move around, you can do whatever you want in these GSAs. So I can put my feet up on the bloody engine, you see? Can you see my foot on the engine? There we go. Down there? Yeah. I can rest my foot there, I can rest my foot further out on the front bit, you know, it's just so many things I can do. And I can lie down, you chuck it in cruise control and just lie back and watch it go, you know. It's pretty cool, eh? Pretty cool. I used to come here when I was younger. We used to camp here. We used to do 2 weeks away at Anglesea in the tent at the Anglesea caravan park, just around here somewhere. Out the, I think over there, somewhere there. It's not a bad area for the kids, Nate. This, over that side of the road over there, there's so much for kids to do. You can, and that's where I think the camping site is, over that side. And when you camp on that side, they can go to the ocean or the park here or whatever. They just stay on this side and there's so much for them to do there, and you can just let them go. It's like when you arrive, you can take the leash off and take it off gently and slowly, because they might bite. So when you get the leash off, just do it gradually. Actually, it's better if you bring the kids in blindfolded so they're not aware where they are, so they don't get too excited. And then so you blindfold them, drive in to the camping site, and then park your car, and don't, without taking the take the blind off. Before you take the blind off, unleash them, right, and hold the hands, and then take the blind off, and then let go, and watch them go for it. Watch them run. That's the way to do it, so you don't get bitten, because you know, when kids see places like this, they can, and you try to restrain them, or they can get nasty. Those teeth can get into you, and you might lose a bit or two. So you want to plan carefully, and yeah, maybe don't give them sugar. Don't feed them for 4 hours beforehand, so they're a bit low on energy, right? And then let them go like that, and give them a snack pack to take with them. Then they can have the food, you see? Alright, I think that's it. I'm going to head inland and go to Melbourne now from Anglesea, so there's not much more from here. I'll catch you later.